Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I make my eggless banana bread. Let's get to it. First, I'm going to add my 3 large bananas. Make sure they have brown spots on them. That's how they're going to be the sweetest. Then you're going to add in 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of your choice of sweetener. Add in your vanilla extract, your baking powder, your baking soda, your cinnamon, a little bit of salt. I'll put the measurements on the screen. Right along with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which will be your egg replacement. This is the best ratio. I've tried 1/4 cup, it doesn't work. Here you can also add in 1/2 cup of applesauce if you want to make it even more moist and just really decadent. I added in applesauce after I made this batch and it tasted a lot better. So go ahead and add in your applesauce if you want. Without it, it'll still taste good. It'll just be a little bit more like cakey texture. Then you're going to add in 1 cup to 1.5 cups of your whole wheat flour. Make sure you're getting the consistency of the batter very similar to what you see here on the screen. If it's too wet, it's not going to bake. If it's too thick, it's going to be dry. Then you're going to go ahead and grease up your pan. I'm using this little pre-portioned pan here because I just like the little squares. I think they're just so cute. But you don't have to do that. You can use a regular brownie pan or cake pan, whatever you have on hand. Don't add more tools to your kitchen if you don't have the space. Then we're just going to go ahead and add the batter in. If you're using something like this and you notice that you're running out of batter, just easily take some batter out from other portion cups, because making 12 servings is what's going to give you the 100-calorie snack that we are all going for in this video, right? We're all on a weight loss journey here, or we just want some nice yummy snacks along the way. So you're going to go ahead and add that in here. Then you're going to set your oven to 375, or you should have did it prior, but my oven's at 375 and I put this in there for about 20 minutes or until the top part is a real deep golden brown. And that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a like and a comment. Go ahead and click on this video on the right for the next meal prep, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.